Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we will talk about circuit diagrams. The breadboard chart that I showed you are simple, but it's not always going to be that easy. For more often, you'll find a circuit diagram that looks something like this, which probably makes no sense to you if you are using Arduino for the first time. However, don't worry. This is the circuit diagram of our blinking LED. The most important thing is understanding that in most cases, the line only kind of represents real physical wires. The diagram traces the general path of the electricity. For example, you'll notice that while the above picture is a wired rectangle thing, our actual physical circuit looked nothing like that at all. Circuit diagram looks the way they do for the sake of clarity, not because you need to make your real circuit look like them. Instead, the only important parts are what connects where. Again, look at the above diagram. It has a square wave representing the code we input, and a standard symbol for a resistor with its value written. They use 220 ohm resistor that leads to the LED, and then it grounds in the Arduino. That's what G&D stands for, ground. That basically gets rid of the extra power in the circuit, and every circuit needs to be grounded. If you come across any symbol in the circuit diagram that you don't know, I recommend consulting Wikipedia, and here's a quick look for some symbols. Working with Arduino, we won't need any of the gates on the right, but you will definitely encounter the symbols on the left in more complicated projects. The best part about the Arduino is that you don't have to know what any of those things do. You don't need to know what a capacitor is, or what a resistor does, or anything. Of course, if you want to make your own circuit, you'll have to do some serious research for it. But like I said before, almost all the circuits you might need can be found on the internet, and all you have to do is to search. In fact, here these two sites should be enough to get you going. The official Arduino site and the free Dino. If you can't find something of interest, use Google and just dig deeper. Odds are good that someone has already tried it and written the tutorial somewhere, or just message us. Now, you know how to make connections and upload code. That's really all you need. Just apply that to any diagram and code you find, and you can make practically anything. I hope this has been helpful for those who were too intimidated to try learning how to use Arduino. If you reached this lesson, then you have reached the end of this course. Don't forget to review this course, and if you have any question, please ask it in the Q&A board, and check our bonus lecture for free gifts and additional material.